Hi, Jessica. We may have had this issue in another class, but for the milestones, you need to update work. Please ignore that. Update work basically to get 100% of the points. You're not supposed to just turn in a task for the same exact points. And you may or may not get comments as to what you can improve. Some of that you need to take upon yourself. For example, does it look professional that these notes are right up against the edge of the document? And the answer would be no. Calendar, I think you spelled that right. So you could have gone in and made it all neater. You could have also gone into a little more explanation as to which one you're going to choose or not choose. Okay, so for milestones, make sure you update and then explain what you have updated. And a lot of that is really just up to you. And if you have questions, let me know. Bye.